AV Network guy here. I would like to thank Angekis for sending me this Compact One 4K ePTZ USB webcam to review. So let's see what's in the box. For one, the box is compact, and upon opening the box, the first thing we see is the manual. I'll quickly list a few features found in the manual as I go through each page. Now, most engineers I know read the manual after they get stuck. Now let's get rid of the shipping box and open the webcam box. As you can see, I'm having difficulties with the box. The corner of the box was scuffed, which made it difficult to slide the outer sleeve of the camera box. Remember, tools are here to make our lives easy. Here we go. Moving on. Now let me find the correct side to open the box. Here we go. Nice. No room for moving parts during shipping, which is a win-win. Let's check out the Compact One camera itself, and don't forget to subscribe. Wow, it has some weight to it and it feels very solid. The stand feels solid and the camera build quality feels heavy duty. The lens cap cover is very snug. It has tripod mounting options, which makes it useful for a home or commercial environment. There's a USB Type-B connection behind the unit, and the USB cable is not hardwired to the camera. What else is in the box? A wire and a remote control. Let's check out the remote control that comes with the Compact One. I could get clumsy before having coffee, but let me quickly highlight the remote button options. The remote control takes 2 AAA batteries, and I noticed the QC label, which is always nice. Says a lot about Angekis. Let's check out the USB A to B cable that comes in the box. Wow, the cable feels really solid. You should see the data specs on the screen, and the cable length is at least 10 feet, which is really nice. That allows for more optimal placement without using USB extenders. The packaging is simple, very effective, and compact. I'm excited to test out the Compact One camera in the next video. Enjoy more video highlights and make sure you tell me what you think the coolest feature is going to be. Auto framing, auto zooming. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know what type of products you would like to see. Until next time. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more AV and networking unboxing videos.